Welcome to MSE Audio, where for over 2 decades, we have specialized in manufacturing speakers ranging from restaurants to amusement parks to your backyard or even your own home theater. Not only do we offer a wide range selection of speakers, but as a small company, we can guarantee that you'll get the quality service and attention you deserve.
I think our customer service is set above and beyond everyone else because of our belief in building our customer relationships. We've empowered our staff to make solutions, quickly respond and provide all of the needs for our audio customers. We believe in enabling our staff to make decisions in real time to help our customers immediately. From the moment someone calls our office, a real life person will answer the phone that actually has the ability to take care of our customers' needs.
We need to listen. We need to understand their point of view. Everybody's got a pitch, but nobody takes the customer's point of view into account. When we do, we learn amazing things. Well, our focus has always been on customer service. It's something that we're known for. We very much understand the timelines and the benchmarks that our integrators are up against. We take that very seriously. We do everything possible on our end to meet that need and try to be aware of the things that they are up against.
I think what makes Acoustics so unique is we make everything here in Alexa. Not only that, but it's also handmade in the USA, so I think there's a little bit of uniqueness in it, each and every speaker. It's like becoming an artist, creating a new piece of art.
When coming up with new products, the engineering team works closely with the sales staff who are in tune with general industry trends and customer expectations. We'll then define a product in general terms that meets a need that we don't currently address. The next step is to generate computer renderings or models for the sales and management staff to look at. If the project moves past this point, the design will be refined and physical prototypes will be made. These prototypes will be used to tune the acoustics and aesthetics of the final design. Once the first samples are done, we'll closely scrutinize these to make sure they meet our quality and acoustic standards. When designing products for today's market, we keep a constant eye on the changing needs of the industry. We want to make sure our products have all the features that people expect and the aesthetics that make them compatible with current design trends.
We are a group of dedicated, enthusiastic people working to provide our customers with the best products and experiences. We pride ourselves on being a relatively small company, successfully competing in a market which is comprised of companies that are 10, 100, and 1,000 times larger than we are. We operate on a lean 50 employees and still manufacture a large portion of our products ourselves here in the US. Our lean physique is actually what allows us to compete against the big companies. We can move more quickly and with more purpose because we aren't chained to the typical large company bureaucracies. Each one of our employees serves a vital role in the company's operation and is empowered and trusted to do what they need to do to bring to life our mission of providing customers with the best products and experiences.
MSE, customer service is our number one goal, and we provide the best possible service through action, honesty, and accountability.
MSE Audio is a great company to be a part of. We're small enough to be able to know and speak to almost everyone in the company on a regular basis, yet we're large enough to be a major player in the industry.
MSE Audio is a great company to work in, especially with people who have a lot of knowledge and wear many hats.
We're green and growing, and the sky's the limit.
Don't just buy another speaker. Become part of an inclusive family when you join MSE Audio.